Your business deserves credit. Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to the channel, and I hope all is well. My name is ALFATIR Crawford, aka the Business Credit Specialist. My motto is your business deserves credit. I know the importance of business credit to grow and sustain our businesses. I know this because I'm a fellow business owner too, who knows the importance of working capital to fund and grow our businesses. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a Net 30 company that offers many business resources and products and can help you establish business credit for your business with a Business Net 30 account for qualifying businesses. The company I will be talking about today is the CEO Creative. So you know how we do. Let's share the screen and let's go. Who is the CEO Creative? The CEO Creative is a company that offers great business resources and products. They allow businesses to buy goods and services with a Business Net 30 account for qualifying businesses. The easiest way to finance your business purchases with no personal credit check. Simply buy now and pay in 30 days, all while helping businesses establish and build business credit for their businesses. They report your payment history to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Credit Safe. Why choose the CEO Creative Business Net 30 account? 1. Improve your business. Net 30 vendor. Great business-to-business selection of essential business resources. 2. Buy now, pay in 30 days. Net 30 account. Take advantage of amazing Net 30 account made just for your business. 3. Easy approval. Digital products and office supplies. Everything the business needs from websites to logos. Here are 3 reasons to choose the CEO Creative Business Net 30 account. So, what are Net 30 accounts and what do they entail? In short, a Net 30 account provides you 30 days to make your payments in total once you've made a purchase. You can buy now or pay later with a Net 30 account. Vendor credit, supplier credit, and trade credit are all terms for the same thing. What is the purpose of a Net 30 account? The benefits of the Net 30 rely around one central factor. Clients with short-term credit extensions have a greater incentive to buy. In contrast to credit cards that incur interest, Net 30 is an interest-free extension. Net 30 allows clients to keep their own money for a longer period of time in accounting. As a result, they are able to postpone cash withdrawals, enhancing their total cash flow. Why is the CEO Creative Net 30 account good for your business? If you are wondering why and how the Net 30 account program from the CEO Creative may benefit your business, here are a few practical points you might want to consider. 1. Improve your business cash flow by planning your cash flow, sales cycle, and processing impending payments. If you pay on a Net 30 basis, you have up to 30 days to arrange your cash flow. 2. Simplify the accounting procedure. Instead of needing to process payments immediately, you have 30 days to do so with a Net 30 credit, allowing you to precisely handle each sale and purchase. 3. Acquire supplies and predict earnings. If your company produces and sells items, the CEO Creative Net 30 payment account allows you to predict profits more accurately. You will need to pay for supplies ahead of time, and the Net 30 payment will come from the selling proceeds. Here are 3 benefits of the CEO Creative Net 30 account. How to qualify for the CEO Creative Business Net 30 account. To qualify for an account with the CEO Creative, the following minimum criteria must be met. 1. Only for U.S.-based businesses. 2. Business must exist for at least 30 days. 3. Clean business history. 4. No late payments. Here are the 4 criteria to qualify for the CEO Creative Business Net 30 account. The CEO Creative offers a wide array of products for your business. The product categories include office supplies, fitness equipment, weekly sales, business template, graphic design, printing services, toys, polo sales, CEO merch, gift baskets, beanies, CEO home, tumbler, electronics, customized products, apparel, water bottles, and phone accessories. Here is a long list of products offered by the CEO Creative for your business. Other product offerings by the CEO Creative include custom business websites. They offer a standard one-page website for $49, business website for $95, sell online e-commerce website at $195. Additional products and services offered by the CEO Creative include large Net 30 office supply varieties, customizable products, add your own design with ease like t-shirts and USB ports, cleaning supplies for home and office. You can create your own business accessories. You also can design and print your own business cards. They also offer everything for your bathroom. So the CEO Creative offers a wide array of products and services. Again, the CEO Creative. Remember, you can brand your business with the CEO Creative Design Services. 1. Design services. Create a logo for your business. 2. Custom design and prints. Create your business accessories. 3. Boost your business. Design and print your business cards. And 4. Brand your business. Signs for cars, trucks, and vans. Here are 4 brand your business design services offered by the CEO Creative. To apply for the CEO Creative Business Net 30 account, click Net 30 application form and then create a user account by entering your name, your email, and your password and hit submit. Once you click the Net 30 application button and complete the user account information, you will come to the business application page. Here you will have your business name, company established date, your cell phone number, your EIN number, your DUNS number is optional, your business country, your business address, city, state, zip code, your registered business phone number, your organization type, C Corp, S Corp, LLC, etc. Then you will have your mailing address. They will ask you to attach your IRS articles of incorporation showing your tax ID number. Also, they would like for you to upload your driver's license. You will sign and you will submit. So this is the application to qualify for a Net 30 business account with the CEO Creative. There you have it, YouTube family, the CEO Creative, offering great business resources and products, as well as helping you establish business credit with their Business Net 30 account. If you are interested in applying for the CEO Creative Business Net 30 account, I left a sign-up link in the description box of the video below. Also, make sure to check out my many videos on establishing business credit for your business. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for your continued support. Until the next video, you take care, and I will talk to you soon.